I'm going to go over Lululemon. It's my niece's birthday, and she happens to love this store. And she's also a gymnast, is excellent at what she does. We are so proud of her. Happy birthday, Cailyn. Hi, everyone. It's Dow on the Dow. I'm going to go over Lululemon on the 5-minute time frame and show you the channel we are in for Monday. We ended the week at $368.53, down more than 2.5%. Now, to the north side from where we are takes us to VWAP, and that is $368.08. That's the blue line. Above that, at the middle of the trend, it takes us to roughly $370.50. A gap forms to the upside at $374.94. 2 standard deviations takes us to roughly $377.67. The gap closes out at $378.49, and above that, at 3 standard deviations is roughly $381.20. And finally, at 4 standard deviations, we are talking roughly $384.88. To the south side, if you are going short, -2 standard deviations takes us to roughly $363.23. A gap forms to the south side at roughly $359.65. That also happens to be at -3 standard deviations. -4 standard deviations is roughly $355.96. The RSI is at 61. And right here at 70, I always typically anticipate a sell-off whenever I see that. But this stock has never gotten above 86 on the 5-minute time frame. Now, note the gap to the upside closed right here at $375.40. Note the bounce at support here, the sell-off at resistance here, the sell-off at resistance there, another sell-off here, and a sell-off here. This area, I anticipate a sell-off as people take their profits and they run. Whenever we hit this line, or this line, that for me is a signal to sell if I am buying and trading. Obviously, if I am investing in the stock market, I just let it ride and I don't worry about it. Let me go ahead and show you what this looks like on the monthly time frame. Here we are. This is where we are. To the north side of that takes us to roughly $422.52. Note the 1-year price target on TradingView is $406.98, which represents a return of roughly 10%. I also want to show you, anytime you look at this chart, you will notice something, that price tends to stay in this channel. It can do something like this, but it typically stays in this channel. And anytime you see it above the channel, that is a buy and sell signal for me. This is a profit-taking zone right here, all right? And when it hits this area, I do not expect it to stay up there. I expect it to go down, consolidate, people take their profits and they run. So then eventually the channel goes back in here. And again, a signal to sell and a signal down here to buy. A sell-off here, a sell-off here. And we sold off a little bit right here as well. All right, that does it for me. If there is a stock that you would like me to go over, please let me know. Again, happy birthday, Cailyn. I hope everyone has a great week. Thanks for watching.